Here's a 1972 Olds Cutlass S. Two-door hardtop. Nice looking car in the deep violet purple. Black vinyl top. American Racing wheels on it. This particular vehicle has had an engine swap, and a very upgraded engine swap at that. Powering this car is a 6-liter LS engine that has been massaged a little bit. Competition cam, heavy-duty valves, heavy-duty push rods in it. Has an LS6 intake, so larger injectors are added. It's got Doug Thorley headers on it. It's actually been dyno tuned, 370 horse at the rear wheels, 420 at the crank. So very nice running, powerful fuel injected engine underneath the hood. Of course, it has power brakes and power steering then also. Rear end is a 373 gear ratio, 10-bolt posi. A little bit has been changed in the interior too. Has a Dakota digital dash now. Otherwise, the interior pretty much remains stock with the exception of a radio. It's got black vinyl seats in it. They're in nice shape also. So as you can see, sharp looking car. Come around, let you take a look at the interior here a little bit, and we'll fire it up too so you can hear that LS run. See, the vinyl's in nice shape. Front and back. Headliner and everything is intact. Vinyl top, also in nice shape. If you'd like to check out any of the still pictures, see how solid this car is underneath it also. Engine bay, trunk, if you'd like to see any of them, feel free to check out our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you'll find the still pictures of all of that. See, the paint has a nice luster to it, reflection, actually ceiling fan and the rafters in the ceiling. So if you see some of the still pictures with the reflection off of that, that's what it is. Isn't necessarily flaws in the paint or anything like that. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Come around and check out the driver's side here. Stock door cards, also in nice shape. Like I said, the vinyl and everything. And that is the reflection from the dome light. Just so you know, that's not a stain or anything like that in the seat. There you go. If I make it go off, you can check that out. Carpeting all nice. You can kind of get the reflection or see the Dakota digital dash. It shows up better. I got to show up in the picture. So if you'd like to check out the dash, go ahead and check those pictures out. There's the aftermarket stereo. Automatic on the floor. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You can hear a very healthy engine. It's going to be at high idle since I started it cold there, but it'll give you an idea what it sounds like. That powerful LS underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. We'd like to inquire about this 72 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Like I said, check out any of the still pictures. There it goes off the high idle. If you'd like to check out any of the pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around to the back also, see here since that idle's come down. Very cool Oldsmobile with that engine swap. You can also help arrange transportation anywhere in the continental U.S. So like I said, give us a call. You got any questions? 507-386-1726.